Whether you're bad or not, you
Yeah.
have to challenge.
What was that?
That was an
I
8.7
think-
out of 10.
I actually gave you a 9. I thought that was
All right, here I go.
For YouTube.
I got props.
All right, Richard.
I got my striped socks.
And if you do the chicken neck a little bit, I might give you an extra point for that.
8.7.
Here we go.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, Richard. You got to start over there, and then we're going to say 1, 2, 3, go.
Nice sock.
Thanks, man.
I have to
He has
tell you,
another pair
I'm
just
from
like
the
them.
South, and Southerners, they kind of know all about chicken, so I don't know. We'll see.
You
On
ready?
your mark.
Get
Get
set,
set.
Go.
go.
Not exactly chicken. That's like. Purple Murple.
Oh, yes.
Purple Murple fan. Purple Murple fan.
That's a really good chicken dance. Wow.
Wow, very good.